Today I'm fishing the Yarra with Jackson fish on for some brim. Hopefully we can get onto a couple using muss and crabs, plastics, everything. See how we go. Got one. He's tiny. Come up. Bro, what is it doing? Ooh. Come on, mate. There he is. Little guy, get a quick pick with him. Where's my phone? First fish on the new Surtate. Not a bad little guy. He's hooked well. There he is. That's the muss there. Going back. Bro, he's running for that structure. Jeez, he wasn't even big, bro. It's the little guy. Micro. Alright. Both hooked up at the same time and Jackson dropped his. Forgot to press record. But little broom. Fairies, wakes coming through. Get a little bit wet. Washing machine, bro. Jeez. Just a bit. Surely that stirred up the brim. Jackson's on. Hide your fingers, mate. All I see is your fucking fingers. There he is on the muss. Not bad. It's his fish, not mine. I'm not taking credit. But yeah. Shut your
Doubles. Jackson still hasn't unhooked his yet. Oh, fuck. Off. And he snipped me.
Oh, the muss is gone.
No, not the cheap muss. He bit it. That's gone. Retie.
Okie dokie.
It's because you keep banging the... Yeah, it was the heavy crab, that's what it was. What's that supposed to mean? Okay. Oh no. Ugh. Alright. Oh, what the f... I can see Brim, look, they're staying on the edge of it, bro. You see it? The GoPro might actually pick it up. Sightcasting. Wait, he's actually going to it. He's on. No way. That whole thing's on video, bro. He's tiny, but... Wait, if we can reverse a bit. Because I'm not going to be able to squeeze him through here. Come here, you nugget. Yeah, it was recording, thank you. That's my first ever sight casted broom. Oh, no way. Bro, oh, I'm so lucky to land this fish. Jesus. It's so frayed. Yeah, but the fray, Jesus. Ah. Chill out. Can you shut up? It's still recording, you nugget.
Here he is on the cranka. There's gob, all 6 hooks in. We'll chuck him back in a sec. There he is. Look at the... Oh shit. Ah! Spiked me. There he is, going back. That's the end of the video. We ended up with 5 brim in total. Pretty slow session overall, but can't win them all. But yeah, thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this.